Hey, this is my newest product for the Honda Grom 2021 and 22. Got these washers in the back here. I've got purple on yellow right now. Just test fitting these, taking some pictures of them. Super excited about these. I am printing tons of these right now. I have 4 Ender 3 Pro 3D printers, and so I have enough production capacity to make quite a bit of these. When you take off the OEM washers that came with your Grom, you're going to notice that they are also made of plastic, and they're actually pretty hollow on the back here. Not much plastic in them. If you take a look at the ones that I'm 3D printing, they are solid on the back, actually quite a bit thicker. So you can see that. I'm making these into a pretty quality product here. I want you guys to be happy with them. And I think you're going to be happier with them than the OEM product, and you can get them in any color you want. Another thing I'm super excited about making here is this Throttle Assist you see here in a red color. So this, your palm is going to rest on this, and it just alleviates some of the stress on your wrist when you're riding, getting on that throttle a lot. And so I can make these in any color you want, fully customizable, and they just hold on with a zip tie here. I have just a few more color options here for you guys to take a look at. Over here we've got what I have called transparent yellow. It's like kind of a yellow highlighter color, very bright, vibrant. Up here we have lime green. Down here we have blue, and then here's the purple, which you've already seen. And so again, I do make these in any color. I have a lot more colors than this, and I love working with customers who want a custom color. So if you hit me up and say, hey, I'm looking for this or that color, could you get it? Sure, I probably can, so just let me know. I love doing that. One more thing that excites me about these products is just the chance to expand upon the modding community for these bikes. It's already pretty awesome what some of you guys are doing with these. And so, this just gives you one more flavor to add to the bike, make it your own. And so, yeah, I'm just really excited about the chance to be able to do that. And with my current production capacity, I am able to probably make about 100 of these washers per day. And so if you need multiple sets, I'm there to get them out quickly to you. And I have a whole bunch of other 3D printed products that I'm really excited about selling as well. So yeah, just let me know any questions you have. I love talking to customers about what they want with their bike, and I'm always trying to get them exactly what they're looking for. I print some parts for jet skis as well, and I've even worked with customers who have some vinyl wraps on those and matching colors the best I can. So just let me know any questions you have or whatever you're looking for. I'm happy to help.